Pero okay. Pero, yeah, the thing what I'm thinking all the time because of the face-to-face communication, I don't like it. Mommy!
Vicky!
Was it okay really what I was saying? So gosh, nahihiya na yung...
Hindi, okay lang.
Yes, because magsalita Tagalog.
Cute nga eh.
Pero of course, it's my pangarap talaga. Yung before I pasok here, to learn Tagalog and to take the chance. Parang ganun. Okay. I told you. My feeling is not wrong.
Nervous talaga.
Ikaw? Bakit? Because of face-to-face? Pero, yung feeling ko, I was the only girl, let me call.
Huh?
The only girl who gets nominated. Yeah. You die when you go out or something like that. Because of course, outside they are waiting some new experience too. New challenges for me. Pero I want to stay, of course. Because I'm not doing this only for me, I'm doing this for my mom too. I want to do this talaga.
Ako hindi ko. Hindi ko.
Swerte.
Natatakot talaga ako kanina.
Bakit?
Kasi yun nga, hindi pa nominated. Ako yun.
What did I say it again? I was so black out talaga. Hindi ko alam anymore.
Thank you sa mga tao.
Sa labas? Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Tagalog dito.
Gusto ko mag-aral ng Tagalog.
It was so funny again. I don't like to be funny, but I don't know.